Of course, this is in regard to the Allahabad High Court, weeks after the judgment that had come about regarding grabbing breasts or snapping a pajama string do not constitute to rape or attempt to rape. Now, the same Allahabad High Court has granted bail to a rape accused, noting that the victim invited trouble and was also responsible for the same. So what has really been said is that she was the one responsible for the alleged act of rape, while granting the bail to the accused. To know more on this case, we have Nupur joining us. Nupur, take us through, what is it that was said in court while granting bail to the accused, because claiming that the survivor perhaps was intoxicated and should have been more responsible for her actions.
Yes, of course, it is in fact another shocker from the Allahabad High Court when it comes to judgments relating to rape against women and sexual assault against women. Here, it was in fact a case from Noida only, and in fact, the High Court, while granting bail to the accused, noted that though it is a bit disturbing, the reason for the bail is a bit disturbing, where the High Court judge observed that court is of the view that the allegation of the victim, even if it is true, that means even if the rape allegation is true, then the court can still conclude that she herself invited trouble and was also responsible for the same. So it is in fact a very disturbing observation coming from the High Court. Though the bail was granted, noting that there were no in the medical examination there was no sign of sexual assault, and there was the hymen was broken, but they could not establish sexual assault. He did not go into the merits of the case while granting the bail, but the reason in itself, saying that it came as of some sort of victim blaming, where it was said that the victim was herself a student of MA, she's a postgraduate student, and all these observations make it look like a victim blaming order, and this comes as a disturbing order from the Allahabad High Court just after the previous March 17 High Court order, which you rightly said had caused great uproar across the country.